What's going on, everybody? James back with another potential setup on GBPNZD on a long position. We're currently on the 4 hour time frame. The pound over recently has been very, very, very bullish. As you can see, all the way down, it's just been very, very bullish. And I'm looking to continue this bullish momentum with this technical setup. Okay, so what we have identified today is a bullish flag pattern. So you can see we have the initial flag movement, so the flag pile, the bullish, and you can see we are forming a flag pattern here. Okay, so the setup we are looking at is to come down and retest previous support. We've already had the one touch and it's found nice support and it's been bouncing, but we are in this not consolidation area, but this downwards channel which we are forming at the moment, completing this flag pattern. Okay, what we also have identified is a strong ascending trend line. So we draw our trend line from touch to touch like that. You can see I'll mark them out with the white arrows now, so you can see the first touch, the second touch of that trend line. Okay, so we are looking for a third and final touch to complete if you want this Elliott's wave. If you're seeing it as an Elliott's wave, we're seeing it as a bullish flag pattern, but it could also be classified as a Elliott's wave. So you have the initial 1, 2, 3, 4 movement, and then the final 5 impulse wave. Something looks like this. Bear with me. So Elliott's wave impulse. So first move, second move down, third move correctional, and then the fifth and final impulse wave up. But however, so we have identified this bullish flag pattern being here. Okay, we have got our buy area at this level here. Okay, so you can see multiple resistance, double top here. We've finally broken, we found nice support at this level. Okay, so we are hoping that price will continue to come down and drop and retest this trend line. So we are looking at a long position being on this buy entry. Our stops are going to be below market structure, previous market structure. So you're talking like 110 pips. However, the target for this trade is the reverse of the flag pole. So if we are declining this initial impulse move, okay, we can set our target at the bottom of the market structure at this level here. So, and we will set our final target being here. What is nice as well, if we take our Fibonacci level from the swing low to the swing high, waiting for that retracement, we have the 38% Fibonacci in and around this area. So if we are talking, our initial target for this trade is going to be previous market highs. Our second target is going to be the 27% Fibonacci, and our final target area is going to be the minus 61% fib on the retracement level. Okay, so this is a long position we are looking at for GBPNZD. The risk to reward is relatively good. If you're talking your initial target should be around 250 pips. Second take profit should be around the 400, and the third take profit should be around the 600 mark. So the 600 pip take profit to that minus 61% fib. So this is a swing trade idea based on the 4 hour time frame. Let me tidy this up a little bit so you can have a look. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. Continuation of this bullish impulse move. The fifth and final, if you would like to call it Elliott's wave, drive up. Stops slightly below market structure, so we'll give it a little bit of room. We'll say 130 pip stop below that 61% Fibonacci level, which could act as a safety net if needed, but we are expecting a little bit of drop, potential pending buy limit here, and then the continuation of this impulse move. A nice setup in my opinion, something to keep your eyes out on. This has been James again from Liquid FX, bringing you another potential setup. Again, along on GBPNZD. Hope you've enjoyed, hope you learned something, and yeah, hopefully this trade plays out and you catch some nice profits.